Google just flipped a hidden switch that made 87.7% of websites lose impressions overnight. No warning, no press release, just boom, your traffic graph falls off a cliff. And here's the kicker. This one tiny change made scraping tools 10 times more expensive, broke rank trackers, and sent agencies and startups into panic mode. But what if I told you this isn't just about SEO, it's about Google fighting back against AI and the survival of your business in the new search era? In this video, I'll show you why Google did it, who wins, who loses, and the one simple move you need to make this week to stay ahead. And later, I'll give you the exact template and prompt to get your site into AI overviews so you don't get left behind. Hey, I'm Fran AI, the digital avatar of Fran Barbero. Fran personally researches and writes every script you see here. My job? To break down the biggest shifts in business, AI, and marketing so you can stay ahead, not overwhelmed. And if you want the exact tools, prompts, and templates I use to test everything in this video, grab them for free inside my Smart AI Business Hub. It's updated with every new tool and short tutorials I use to grow and scale. Links in the description. Let's get straight to what changed. For years, there was a hidden trick in Google search. Add num100 to your search URL and you'd get the top 100 results in one go. Rank trackers, SEO tools, and even AI companies relied on this to pull massive amounts of data fast and cheap. But last month, Google quietly killed the num100 parameter. Now you only get 10 results per call. That means scraping 100 results costs 10 times more. Tools broke, costs exploded, and for most sites, impressions in Google Search Console just vanished. But here's the thing, most of those lost impressions weren't real people, they were bots. But why would Google nuke their own data like this? There's a deeper reason almost nobody's talking about. The shockwave was instant. According to Search Engine Land, 87.7% of sites lost impressions and 77.6% lost unique ranking terms overnight. Agencies panicked. Some thought their sites had tanked. But here's what really happened. For years, bots and scrapers were inflating your impression numbers. When Google pulled the plug, it was like a phantom audience got up and left the theater. Suddenly, your average position looked better, but your impressions dropped because the bots were gone. People thought they'd been hit by a penalty until they realized it was just the num100 switch. So why did Google do this? Here's what the research shows. First, it's a defensive move against mass scraping. AI companies and SEO tools were using num100 to pull huge chunks of Google's index, fuel for training large language models. By killing the shortcut, Google protects its data, its infrastructure, and its competitive edge. Second, it's about control. Google wants to push everyone toward their official APIs, where they can monitor, monetize, and limit access. No more free lunch. And third, it's about the future of AI search. If Google locks down its data, it controls who gets to train the next generation of AI models. And this move just made page one more powerful than ever. In a minute, I'll show you how to get your content into the new AI overviews. Here's what this means for you right now. First, rank tracking and SEO tool costs just shot up. Some tools now need 10 times more requests to get the same data. Check your tool bills this month. Second, your reporting is noisier. Impressions dropped, but average position may look better. Don't panic. Most of the drop is just bots disappearing. Third, the game has shifted to page one. Over 99% of clicks happen on the first page. The top result grabs about 28% of all clicks. If you're not on page one, you're invisible. But what about AI overviews? That's the new gatekeeper. I'll show you how to win there in a second. A lot of SEO channels are saying the same thing. Costs are up, tools are breaking, focus on page one, and get ready for AI overviews. And they're right. But here's what they're missing. There's a tactical play you can use right now to get your content into those AI answers before your competitors do. I'll show you the exact template in a minute. All right, let's get practical. Here's your 5-step survival playbook. Focus on page one and conversion. 99+% of clicks are on page one. If you're not there, you're nowhere. Restructure your most important pages for transactional intent. Treat the top 10 as your new battlefield. Consolidate related pages, strengthen your intent signals, add schema, and make your call to action impossible to miss. Feed the AI overviews. AI overviews are the new gatekeeper. If you're not in them, you're invisible. Create concise, authoritative, answer-first content formatted for LLMs. Start with a short answer block at the top, then expand with proof, citations, schema, and a quick FAQ. I'll show you a copy-paste template for this in a second. Instrument attribution. When impressions wobble, you need to know what's actually driving revenue. Set up call tracking, UTM links, and closed-loop reporting. Map every ad to a call, every call to your CRM, every CRM entry to revenue. Reduce dependency on scraped datasets. Scraping is getting harder and more expensive. Build your own first-party data capture and knowledge base. Use smart AI website chat, AI voice agents, and real-time lead capture. Cost and tool audit. Tool costs will go up. Don't pay for what you don't use. Audit your stack, negotiate with vendors, and build lightweight in-house scrapers if needed. Use a simple decision matrix. Keep, replace, or build. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Let's make this real. Here's how you turn a regular blog or service page into an AI overview magnet. Step 1. Start with a clear, one-sentence answer at the top. Step 2. Add 3 to 5 bullet points with supporting facts or steps. Step 3. Include a short FAQ or people also ask section. Step 4. Add schema markup, FAQ, how-to, or article. Step 5. Make sure your page loads fast and is mobile friendly. If you copy this exact template, your page is readable by LLMs and more likely to be used in AI overviews. Download the ready-to-use prompt that you can copy-paste to ChatGPT to help you deploy this by joining my free Smart AI Business Hub. I have also included a prompt that will analyze your current page AI overview strength and suggest improvements. Link is in the description below. Here's the opportunity. Agencies and consultants can now sell AI overview optimization as a service. Bundle it with smart AI websites, review automation, and lead capture. It's a premium offer, and it's what clients need to survive the new search era. Let's recap. The 3 biggest risks right now: losing visibility because you're not on page 1, getting left out of AI overviews, relying on scraped data that's getting more expensive and less reliable. 3 actions to take this week: restructure your key pages for page 1, use the AI overview template, capture every lead with first-party tools, and remember you can grab the copy-paste prompt and template inside the Smart AI Business Hub. It's free to join, and the link is in the description below. Quick aside, if you're tired of juggling 10 different tools, missing leads, and watching your reports break every time Google changes something, you need a real backbone. That's why we use Go High Level. It's the all-in-one platform for agencies and service businesses: CRM, email, SMS, funnels, AI, scheduling, reviews, and more, all in one dashboard. We use it in our Smart AI website training, and if you start a free 30-day trial through our link, you'll get our full bonus training included. Links in the description. Alright, here's what to do next. Join the free Smart AI Business Hub for the prompt and step-by-step instructions. Like, hype, and subscribe to my channel if you want more practical breakdowns like this. And if you're a business owner, coach, consultant, or agency owner, or you want to start a service-based business with AI, watch my free masterclass. I'll show you how to build a smart AI website that ranks on Google and LLMs, set up chatbots and voice agents, and automate lead gen and follow-ups. Click the next video on screen or the link in the description. Google changed the game, now we adapt. See you in the masterclass.